unboxing Hot Wheels. So first I cutting the box, but it's so soft. So help for somebody. So my helper is Dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
Carefully do it. So what's inside? Oh my God! It's definitely a Hot Wheels. Look at this enormous thing! It's my Triceratops! What the heck is just going on? Wow! Sometimes when you have COVID problem in outside, you got to wait tomorrow because it got COVID. So we touch it, so my hands are COVID. So I got to wash my hands, but not now because I'm busy to do the video. And match it to the lock perfectly so you can easily take it out. So when you got this kind of thing to connect it like that, you can connect your other these kind of collection sets and connect it and make a big Hot Wheels city. But you need a road kind of track thingy things and also these orange tracks. So now I will show you how it can work. But when you lose, you can take other cars when they were parking here. Triceratops went again and only in here. So you got to get this thing. Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! That's how you can win and beat the Triceratops.